Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joanne. I just wanted to share with you these memory decks cards that I created. So I used this collection here, chipboard pieces. I believe that's the Maggie Holmes crepe paper. And what I did was just layered it up with a few of those pieces. But it's on a memory decks die that I had. And I showed in my previous video how I was layering the actual crepe paper, and then I used the tool, laid the tool on top, and then cut it out with the Memdex card die, and then I just layered everything up, and that's how cute that one came out. I like the little star, gold star there on the side, and that's just my paper rosette that I shaped into a heart. So that one's super cute. And then I have this one, and again I just put the tool on the paper and then laid the die on top and put it through my Big Kick. And this is the paper rosette without the tool. Just put the swan and some other pieces from that same collection, and the butterfly that I shared with you guys in my previous video with a couple of flat back pearls. So that's that one. And then the last one is this one here, and I shared with you how I project share on these pieces here, and I just layered them up a little bit. They're not sticking out or anything, they're just laying on top of one another, and I just put spread love on it with some flat back pearls and some butterfly die cuts. And that's what I created and it's all using the same die until I get my other ones in that I've ordered, but that's what I've been up to tonight. So I hope you like them, and I'll see you in the next video.